Hello class and welcome to week 1 of ACLT 053 Online. For this week in ACLT 053 Online, I would invite you to look at the calendar. You will note that a lot of the things are going to be almost identical between the ACLT 053 Online course in terms of the content with the learning modules. They'll be identical to those of the English 101 learning modules. But the reflections on the discussion board will be very different. So you'll be doing a lot of reflection on what you've done in English 101 in ACLT 053. And that is why most of the assignments are at the end of the week, Thursday, Friday, with a few exceptions. So my advice is to do all of the work that you do for each week in English 101, and then at the end of the week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, work on your ACLT 053 assignments. For instance, if you look at the technology module, which you're working out of in English 101, it'll look exactly the same. You'll have the same readings that you're going to be working with and so forth. However, you'll be asked to reflect on those readings at the end of the week in ACLT 053 and write some really robust paragraphs. So for the end of the week, for Tech Week 1, you're going to reflect on the readings from English 101, Why Women Aren't Welcome on the Internet and the On Safety Net. And then I'm asking you to connect with the ideas. How do you connect with the readings? How do you engage with them about this idea of harassment in women? How does the information extend your thinking? And what challenges, how does it challenge your beliefs? And then, as always, with everything you do in this class, you'll also have to respond to at least 2 others regarding their posts as well. So think of English 101 as being what you will work on during the week, and ACLT 053 is what you will be working on Friday and Saturday. The new week will begin on Sunday. I hope this was helpful, and welcome to ACLT 053.